Hi guys, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening, middle of August, and on the request of 3 different people, I have caved in and decided to do one very last video on these Fuchsia standards. So if I turn the camera around and just show you how they are actually doing now they're in flower. So first thing to say is that we have had an extremely hot summer in the UK, and it's a bit of a miracle that the fuchsias are looking as good as they are, to be honest. That one is the one from the other year, Beacon Rose, and these two here are the ones that I created the series on how to create a fuchsia standard, and they are both pink fizz. So yeah, they had literally been created last year, and that is what they're looking like now. So you can see that the heads are still fairly balanced. I had still been pinching tips out, as you can see there, and so the plants are bushing out quite nicely, and just trying to maintain a balanced head to them. As you spot them, just pull off the odd dead flower, that's the key, and make sure that as you remove the flower, you also remove the bit below it, which is where the seeds were formed, because all the goodness will go into seed production if you leave it on. So just having a pan around just so you can see what they look like. It's like a bit of damage there, not a lot, and the odd spent flower. With regards to looking after them, they get watered each day, and this on top here is the remains of chicken pellets, and that is what they get fed each fortnight. Just put down a fresh lot of the pellets, and really not a lot else. Ooh, we got some rain. That's amazing. We haven't seen rain for 7 weeks, 8 weeks, 8 weeks I think. Yeah, we only had July 4.8 millimeters, nothing so far for the whole of August, so it's a bit of a miracle. Anyway, getting sidetracked. So anyway, that's basically the video, just to show what they're looking like now. So they had been looking much better, but the heat took its toll, and they did drop a lot of flower, but as you can see, plenty on there, and make sure you do that. And really the job that will be for moving forward, putting a more substantial cane on either of those, so that will simply be a case of taking all those ties off, putting a stronger cane in, get them upright, and next year they will go into a larger size pot, and that is where they will stay. So that's it, job done. So that is it. All remains to be said is, if you've got any questions, then please feel free to send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos I'm doing. Have fun doing your gardening, or going for a stroll, or whatever it is. And if you choose to be creative and want to have a go at doing some fuchsia standards, then please have a look at the other 7 videos that there are now, which are all on creating standards just like those. So that's it. Enjoy your day. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.